Coming up in today's video, I show you how to make this Veda infused pre-poo treatment for your natural hair, which will leave it looking healthy, strong, and growing long. Let's get into today's video. So welcome back to Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs, and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. So the very first ingredient in this is fenugreek, and I've talked about fenugreek so much on my channel. You can also check out my other DIY recipes. I've created a playlist for you, but fenugreek has lots of benefits for our natural hair, and I've infused it into this pre-poo mix. So some of the benefits that it has: it prevents hair loss. Fenugreek contains lecithin, which acts like a natural emollient that also conditions your hair and moisturizes your scalp. It's also really great for dandruff and also helps to control other problems of the scalp. So for this infused mixture, I just use 1 full tablespoon of fenugreek. Next up, we have olive oil. Now, olive oil is normally my pre-poo without adding anything in there, so any olive oil will do. Extra virgin sometimes is the best, but for this one I'm going to use a normal olive oil. So olive oil conditions and nourishes our hair, acts like a great moisturizer and prevents dryness. It soothes the scalp. It is a DHT blocker, and so it helps to reduce damage and prevent hair loss, and reduce breakage overall. So it's great really as a pre-poo, as I said, by itself, but you could also use it with infused herb, which is what I'm doing. The next ingredient that I've added in this mixture is my henna. Now, I've also just done a henna for growth video. Do go ahead and check that out. I use a lot of henna on my hair because henna really strengthens the hair. So henna obviously enhances your hair growth, and it helps to promote faster hair growth. It also helps to strengthen your hair so that you can retain the length that you've grown. It regulates oil secretion on your scalp if you've got oily scalp. It also helps with conditioning your hair. It also helps to prevent dandruff, and it can also color your hair, deepen your natural hair color, and also prevent hair fall. So to that I add about half a teaspoon of henna. Then I go in ahead and pour as much olive oil as I would do for my pre-poo mixture. Now, you've seen my applicator bottle, so I do enough for about half my applicator bottle so that I have enough of this treatment for all of my natural hair. Once it's all done and I'm happy with everything that I have in my container, I go ahead and I shake it all together so that everything mixes together, and I leave that to sit up to 3 days so that it's infused and ready for my pre-poo treatment. Once I'm happy with the mixture, I then go ahead and, just go and decant it into my applicator bottle. I can also warm this up if needs be. You could also just put it in the microwave in a cup and just get it to the temperature that you need. And when I'm applying this treatment, because all of the ingredients really benefits the scalp, I've just done a video on my channel documenting my dermatitis on my scalp, and so I use these treatments sort of to help that condition when I have a flare up. So lots of those ingredients just benefit the scalp, so I mainly focus with my applicator bottle on the scalp. I do hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you have, do give this video a like and leave me a comment below. What do you think of the mixture? What do you put in your poo-poo mixture? And also any ingredients that you think I should probably add to this mixture. Also do go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Watch my playlist where I'm documenting how I'm growing my natural hair to waist length this year. So the main reason for doing this treatment is to strengthen my hair. Pre-poo would do that anyway, as I said, without these ingredients in there. So with these infused ingredients, I'm just trying to make sure that the oil gets all over my hair. Do go and also check out my wash day playlist, where I break down each step of my wash day into detail to let you know how I've been using my wash days also to benefit growing my natural hair. I just make sure that my problem areas such as my edges and my scalp get a lot of this treatment on. I then go ahead and I massage all of that goodness into my scalp, and I make sure that I feel it all over my scalp as much as possible. Once again, I have created quite a lot of mixture in this bottle to make sure that my hair is saturated in the oil. You could choose a lot less or a lot more for your needs. And also I did go ahead and rinse my hair before I did this treatment. I've said to you that I'm using a lot more water in all of my hair processes this year, and the water also helps to give it the added moisture. So once this pre-poo treatment is all over my hair, I go ahead and I twist those sections out. Once again, making sure that everything in the bottle is finished. I created enough just for one application because I don't want to have added one because it might spoil, because you know these all have some lifetime and my next wash day is probably in 4 weeks. So I go ahead and I put my hair up and I cover it with a plastic bag and I leave that on for about an hour. So I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this treatment for your hair. Hope you try it, and I will go ahead and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and take care. Subscribe so that you don't miss my other videos. Thank you.